The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has officially arrived, and it's not just another small camera. This time, DJI has teamed up with the legendary Hasselblad to deliver something truly exciting. That's right, the same name trusted by top photographers for color science and image precision is now behind a pocket-sized video camera. It sounds impressive, but what does that mean for real-world use? In this video, we're diving deep to find out if this tiny powerhouse lives up to the hype. Can it really deliver cinematic results in a body small enough to fit in your pocket? How does it perform in low light, motion shots, or everyday vlogging? Is the Hasselblad Touch just a label, or does it actually change the game? We'll answer all that and more, so stick around. If you love creative gear that keeps you moving without compromising quality, hit that subscribe button. Welcome to Factic. Let's take a closer look. At the center of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is a powerful new 1-inch CMO sensor developed in partnership with Hasselblad. This marks a major leap forward for pocket-sized cameras. The sensor brings in Hasselblad's famous natural color solution, known as HNCs, and it shows. Colors look rich but realistic. Skin tones feel balanced. The greens of nature and blues of the sky really pop, all straight out of the camera without needing extra editing. Low light performance is also much better than before. Night scenes hold detail without becoming overly noisy, and dynamic range has clearly improved. Highlights don't blow out as easily, and shadows keep texture. For creators shooting in different lighting situations, this sensor offers the flexibility to capture footage that looks great right from the start. When it comes to resolution, the Osmo Pocket 4 delivers 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. That's more than enough for buttery slow-motion shots and smooth playback. The device supports 10-bit log-M and HDR video, giving you more data and flexibility when color grading in post-production. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced editor, the colors and detail this camera captures will impress you. The audio is also much improved. Directional microphones now isolate the speaker's voice more effectively, while minimizing wind and background noise. For vloggers, this makes recording clean audio on the go a lot easier, even without an external mic. Build quality is another highlight. The design stays true to DJI's clean and minimal look, but with refined upgrades. The matte black aluminum finish looks sleek and feels premium in hand. It's compact, lightweight, and well-balanced, which makes it super easy to carry around or slip into a small bag. The button layout is simple, and the touchscreen interface is intuitive. It takes just a few taps to start recording or adjust settings. Plus, this version offers better weather resistance, which is great for outdoor creators. Whether you're filming at the beach, in light rain, or on a hike, the Osmo Pocket 4 is made to keep up with your adventures. Of course, one of the standout features of the Osmo Pocket series has always been its 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and the Pocket 4 continues that tradition. The stabilization here is excellent. Walking, running, or moving through crowded spaces, the footage stays smooth and steady. The gimbal is also whisper quiet and fast to react. Features like active track, motion lapse, and time lapse have been improved, giving you more creative tools without needing extra gear. Battery life is solid too. On a full charge, you can expect around 2.5 hours of continuous 4K recording. And thanks to fast charging via USB-C, getting back to full power doesn't take long. This is ideal for creators who don't want to worry about swapping batteries in the middle of a shoot. What really expands the possibilities with the Osmo Pocket 4 is its accessory ecosystem. DJI has introduced a new set of modular add-ons that snap on easily without making the camera bulky. This includes a wireless mic attachment for even better sound, a wide-angle lens for capturing more of your scene, neutral density filters for bright shooting conditions, and a mini tripod for static shots. These additions give creators even more flexibility while keeping everything ultra-portable. What stands out most is that the Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just an update. It's a complete creative toolkit. It handles cinematic shots, vlogs, travel footage, and even more polished content creation with ease. The integration with Hasselblad elevates the visual quality significantly. You can see the difference in every frame: more depth, richer tones, and finer details. Overall, this is a serious tool for anyone looking to shoot professional-level video without the weight and complexity of bigger setups. It's powerful enough for filmmakers, simple enough for beginners, and portable enough for anyone who wants to capture the moment without fuss. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is more than just another small camera. It's a game changer for creators who want top-tier performance in a form factor that fits in their pocket. From the upgraded sensor to the refined stabilization, from crisp audio to rich color science, every feature here is tuned for storytellers who are always on the move. Partnering with Hasselblad wasn't just a branding move. It transformed what the Osmo Pocket 4 can deliver. This camera is now a full creative tool, capable of producing high-end visuals, whether you're out in nature, walking through the city, or filming a quick vlog at home. The convenience is unmatched, and the results speak for themselves. Thanks for watching Factic. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let us know what kind of content you'd shoot with the Osmo Pocket 4. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe because we've got more tech reviews and creative gear breakdowns coming your way. Until next time, stay curious and keep creating.